shot by Mr.
Hipan nyo.
Wala titigil kahit bumuhos. Tuloy.
Bukas na second quarter.
Toto.
Up.
Rebound by Amohedo. Pass to Import. Pass to Pagulong. Nice shot. Favorite shot. Favorite shot by Mr. Pagulong.
Oy, George, huwag kang magulo. Sa kabila ka dati, ah. Oy. Labas yan.
Pagulong.
Panapal.
Oh, Pagulong again. Layup by left-handed layup. Good. Follow up by Mr. Pass to Udo. Bumangga. Pasok.